In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a photo in Canva and export it as an MP4 video. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Log into your account, then start a new design using a video template or open any template that supports animation. Choosing a video-sized canvas like 1920 by 1080 for widescreen makes exporting smoother later, especially if you plan to share it on social platforms. Next, upload your photo. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select the image from your device. Higher resolution photos will look cleaner when animated, so use a sharp JPG or PNG. Wait for the upload to finish before moving on. Now add your photo to the canvas. Simply drag it from the Uploads panel onto your design. Resize from the corners to keep the proportions intact, and use the alignment guides to center it neatly. If you need to fill the entire frame, you can scale it up slightly, but avoid stretching so it doesn't look distorted. Let's animate the photo. Click the photo to select it, then choose Animate from the top menu. You'll see options like Pan, Rise, Drift, and Zoom. Pan slides the image gently across the screen. Rise moves it upward for a subtle reveal. Drift creates a soft glide, and Zoom adds a dynamic push in or pull out. Pick the style that matches your vibe. If you see controls for direction or intensity, fine-tune them to make the movement feel natural. Make sure you're applying the animation to the photo element, not the entire page, unless you want everything to move together. Adjust the duration so the timing feels right. In the top right, open Timing or Duration and set how long the photo appears. For a simple animated moment, 3 to 5 seconds works well, but you can go longer for slower, more cinematic motion. If you'd like audio, upload your music or voice track, then drag it onto the timeline. Trim the ends to match your clip length and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't overpower the visuals. Use fades if available for a smoother start and finish. Always make sure you have the rights to any audio you use. Preview your work by clicking play. Watch the motion and timing and make small adjustments if anything feels too fast or too strong. When you're happy, click Share, then Download, and choose MP4 Video. Keep the default quality for most projects, and download. Your animated photo is now saved and ready to share.